What is good, man? It's your boy King Reek, man, and we back with another banger video, man. Today, we adding some more lighting to the Stinger, you feel me? Putting some ambient lighting in that thing. The little strip that goes across, stock on the car or already on the car. We're gonna make it go all the way through, which it should have been like that from the jump. I don't know why they stopped it right there in that awkward spot, and then it's not even that bright, but we're gonna turn it up. That's all I plan on doing. I may put some on the doors, I'm not sure, but then I'm gonna try some stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try something. Y'all know I ain't got no snorkels, but I'm gonna try something, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try something. We gonna see, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay tuned. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Like this video, turn on your post notice so you know when boys upload, and we going. Right now, I got them hooked up to my computer. I just wanna see if they work, make sure it work or whatnot. Comes with a remote. That's tough. That's tough. Let's see, green, red, white. I don't know. White looks a little wild, but maybe when it gets installed, it'll look a little better. Orange, yellow. I think this is cayenne or something like that. It says CYAN. Purple. It's pretty bright though, cause it's some light in here, and you can see it. It's good. I'll probably rock that blue though. All right, so when you're taking this bottom trim piece off, it's a bolt right here you gotta undo. It's a bolt right here. You don't have to take this one off. Well, you do have to take, no, you don't have to take this one off. Because what you wanna do is you just need to be able to get this side off, but you can't take this off until you take this one off. Okay, so after you take your trim piece off, you gotta take off this side panel right here. It's same as the other side, it just pops out. It's best if you have a pry tool so you don't break nothing, but you don't have to. You know, flathead screwdriver can get it done as well. One bolt right here that you need to undo. So with this piece right here, not the silver piece, the piece up under that, you want to pull out this end piece just a little bit, and then you want to pull towards you. Don't pull down thinking that you're gonna pop it down like that. No, you pull it towards you. Y'all probably hear him in the background. Okay, so we're gonna come right here, not right here where it's real loose, because it'll break. Right in here. You wanna pop it out. So once you got that, this is gonna be loose. You're gonna pull this towards you again like you did the bottom trim piece. You're gonna pull this bottom edge out, and it's gonna come out. Just like that. So don't pull it directly out. You got this connector right here that you want to undo. And then you have your ignition connector. And voila. This is where the ambient lighting is at initially. Right there in that little crevice. The connector piece, this is the housing unit, or not the housing unit, I guess the module that, you know what I'm saying, powers it on and off. This was connected to that. I really just pulled, like it didn't take much force and it came off. Okay, so I took the module apart. This is the one I'm gonna be using, so I'm gonna cut it right there. And then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna match them up. And the light should turn on and should be able to use the factory colors as well. Y'all will not believe me when I tell you how long this took me. Like these wires right here, you would think that the color goes with the same color, right? Except for there's a black and there's a white. So at first I put red to red. I was on YouTube and they said that orange was the ground. So I put black to ground, green to green, blue to blue. Man, it's like this, the car has like a fail safe to where if wires that are not supposed to be touch, it'll just disable the whole ambient lighting thing. So I'm thinking this right here just broke on me. Like it just wouldn't turn on anymore. Even when I tried to connect the old one back to it, like it would not connect and it wouldn't turn on. And I'm just like, yo. So I've been sitting here for like 3 hours, but I finally got it. So there's different ways. Just because they come on to the color that you got the car already set to does not mean that it'll work for every color. So let me tell you what, let me show you what I mean. Right now it's on purple. So let's say I had green with blue and I turned it red, it would turn yellow. This color would turn yellow, although on here I selected red. So you gotta play around with it and figure out the color combination. So I did it for y'all. Blue goes with white, green goes with black. This orange or brown looking one goes with green, and red goes with red. I'm gonna show you. You go over to it, you go to lights, you go down, color, you click on it. Okay, so that says white. Let me zoom in. That says white, right? It goes white. Yellow. Goes yellow. Red. Goes red. That's better. So I'm gonna go through the colors one more time. You can skip this if you like. I just realized that I done had the phone vertical this whole time, but it is what it is. I forgot to put this in there. I'm putting these on there, these connectors, to connect the wires. And then I'm gonna put some electrical tape over them, like that right there. Just gotta add some electrical tape once I get finished with these. And your boy finished. And now all that's left is to reassemble everything the same way you took it apart. I'm not gonna record that just because I've been here for so long and I am so ready to go in the house. But I'll show y'all how it looks. And yeah, man, if you have any questions, feel free to comment, man. Like the video if you got something out of this, or even if you just watch it for entertainment and watch me struggle. It is what it is. I love y'all. King Reed signing off.
Yeah, okay, yeah, okay, just turn me up, I'm coming to you like turn me up, they turn me up, turn me up, yeah, I'm just